In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Asana comment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, clickable link inside a task comment so your teammates can quickly open the resources they need. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This takes you through Google's secure sign-in flow. Select your Google account and complete any prompts you see. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your Asana workspace. Next, navigate to the project where you want to add the comment. You can find your projects in the left sidebar. Click the project to open it. Inside the project, locate the task where your comment should live. Click that task to open its details pane on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll see the task description, assignee, due date, and the comment thread at the bottom. Click into the comment text box to activate the formatting toolbar. You'll notice a small add or plus button in that toolbar. Click it to open additional options. From the menu that appears, choose Embed Link. This opens a small dialog box where you can paste or type the URL you want to include. Paste the full link in the field. It's best to include the complete address, starting with HTTPS, so Asana can recognize it properly. Double check that the link is accurate and that anyone who needs to open it has the right access permissions on the destination site. This prevents teammates from hitting a permission wall later. Click Insert to place the hyperlink into your comment. You'll see it appear in the comment box, ready to go. If you want, add a short sentence before or after the link to explain what it is, such as context for a document, a shared file, or a relevant web page. Clear context helps teammates understand why they're clicking and what they should look for when they arrive. When everything looks good, click Comment to post it. Your link is now live and clickable within the task's conversation. Depending on the destination, Asana may show a small preview, which can make the comment even more useful. As a quick check, click the link once to confirm it opens correctly in a new tab. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to an Asana comment, making it easier for your team to access exactly what they need, right when they need it.